The Natrabike technology offers many advantages. These symmetrical bicycle wheels can be used as a front and rear wheel. They can be replaced in seconds and they are made with low production costs. All wheels are made without cassette or brake disc and are locked securely. The chain remains on any crown during a wheel change, even on the inner blade. Each wheel change can be done by anyone in seconds. Each wheel fits on every bicycle. No tools are needed. Canopy of gears and brake discs is possible and safe. The prototypes are fully finished and ready to be produced and marketed by potential external partners.